What is Wizard AI? It's a tool that turns our ideas and designs into reality, okay? As we see here, it has a structure where we can use various tools of a normal code editor plus a visualizer. Got it? It's designed for both developers and designers. There are many reviews from industry experts shown here. Alright, let's check it out. How can we create an account in Wizard? We'll click on the sign up for free section. Here we'll be asked to create an account with custom data, Google, SSO, or Microsoft. So we'll choose our preferred option here. They'll ask if we've read the terms and privacy policy. The newsletter option depends on our preference. They'll ask what we want to do. Okay, I'll make something up. Here we can invite people. Let's select keep for now. We'll put Google search for what we want. This helps the app know how to develop further. Finally, they show the plans. Let's start with the free one to test it out, and there they welcome us. So welcome to Wizard. That's how you can create an account. You can then create a project in Wizard. To start, we need a project like the one we have here. When we begin, we'll already have a project, okay? They'll create it for us, but if it doesn't have the template we want, we can change it here. Or if we've modified it, tested it, and want to create a new one, we just click the logo and go to dashboards, okay? From here, we can create a new project. We can start from a template, use an auto designer, a screenshot, or a blank project. We'll hit start, choose our device, and after a moment, we'll have our project ready. Alright, how do you create your first project in Wizard? Well, if it's your first project, I recommend following the instructions in the top right. They're intuitive, but they'll help us get familiar with this visual code editor. So basically, we'll add a template. Let's go to templates. Though I'm not sure why I'm in the blog section. As you can see, we have various templates here where we can add whatever we like. We can drag figures, calendars, availability schedules, you name it. We can edit them on the right side. The editing process is quite intuitive. Then we can add a new screen, create one, or even generate one using AI. When they ask what it's for, we'll say it's for desktop. They'll ask about the screen we want. So we'll tell them, for example, that we're creating a course and I'll keep it simple. I'll say an AI course and it asks what we want. For precision, if we need creativity or high precision, let's choose creativity. It'll generate different options. This is how AI works, as you can see. We can make the chat bigger or smaller if we want. To access the AI, it's right here at the bottom. Let's see if I can exit. After waiting, it gives us 4 options. I'm drawn to this one, but it's up to personal taste. For an AI course, this might work well. For example, using the mouse wheel, we can move between screens. Here's one screen. If we continue, it tells us we can add a new interaction. Let's click next. By clicking the lightning bolt icon, we can make it take us here. So we click the lightning bolt like I just did. I'll do it again with 2Z so you can see it once more. This would be a button, though it's not much of one. With the lightning bolt, we can link it to this screen. Perfect. Finally, it tells us to test our design by hitting play. So we click preview and we're ready to start theoretically. This is a preview, it explains. We start with this little square, and when clicked, it takes us to this page where we have various information and such. It's that simple. We can make it more complex. Let's complicate it a bit. Here we have a new completely empty screen. Let's tell it we want to generate this using AI. It'll ask what we need it for. We want it for desktop. We'll briefly describe the design for the main page. Let's make a Contact Us section instead. In the Contact Us part, it'll start generating there. Note, there's a 400 component limit. I'm mentioning this now to avoid backtracking later. As you can see, we can manually modify everything. I'm saying this in case we want to move this, or replace Enroll Now with a Contact Us button. Contact us. We can do that. It's really that simple. Also, if we select the entire header, not caption, besides getting a design review, we can change colors and windows too. Look, we have a Windows aspect here. We should have access to the code. That's with Pro, unfortunately, the code for the entire page. We could make it as complex as we want. I'll hit preview, I'll click got it, and there we have it. Here's our page. Clicking contact us lets us send a message. We'd need to connect everything, of course, but that's it. How can we share our Wizard project with other developers and people? We don't have to develop it all by ourselves. It's super easy. Just go to share, click, and you can add emails and set roles like creator or viewer. You can invite others to edit this tool. It's really that simple. How can we export our finished project in Wizard? Assuming we've completed everything, though this one's not even started, we go to the export section, okay? From here, we could export this item, right? As you can see, we'd click export. It'll ask for the format. To get the code, you need Pro, it seems. But it's not that simple. So. Alright, let's discuss the payment plans for the Wizard tool. I must say it seems to be an excellent tool. I'll compare it with prices, or rather with other market tools like Templar, and basically the free tier is just a beta version. We have the Pro plan for $12 monthly, which they highly recommend. It offers 500 AI generations per month per creator. Not bad. An artificial intelligence, or, well, they provide better AI upgrading from 1.5 to 2.0. I should mention that 1.5 already works very well, okay? They give code access, 100 projects, private projects, and all templates. So what you're really paying $12 a month for here is access to the code, which in tools like Tempo Labs you get from the start or second tier, something I'm not too fond of. On the other hand, they give you up to 500 generations per month. Other tools like Tempo Lab offer, I think, 50 million tokens, right? I believe this is more in terms of tokens, okay? 500 AI generations ends up being more, as 500 times 100 lines is about 50,000 lines. Well, maybe 50 million tokens. It's just, I'll check it. Oh, I made a mistake. 100k free daily token. Okay, 500,000. And 10 million monthly, I was wrong. It's not 50, okay? I think it's better priced here, much cheaper. But it's a shame they don't include CSS. I find that pretty lame, you know? It seems almost ugly to me. Well, in the business mode, they give you up to 5,000 generations per month. Honestly, using 5,000 generations. Wow, you must be developing a lot. If they allow up to 100 projects, I get why you'd use them all if you have multiple projects. That I can understand. And really, you're paying for AI generation, which once you have the CSS and editor, you could do with other AIs. But I get that their AI is specifically designed for this, so I think the prices are completely fair. For $12 a month, you've no idea how much time you'll save, okay? You really don't. True, exporting might be more complex, but still. But once you have CSS access, which isn't in the beta, you can really do whatever you want, okay? Here they give us the full comparison, right? They say with business, you get unlimited features like project creation, got it, such as template. Custom fonts are unlimited in the business plan. Icons and transitions too, but it doesn't change much beyond generation limit. So these are the prices, okay? Now it's up to you to decide. It's a good tool, we've tested it. So thanks a lot for watching this video.